Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. A very good morning to you all. I hope you're all well at home. With the £2 coin knockout in full swing, let's do a little close-up coins game consisting of 10 commemorative £2 coins which have all been released into UK circulation. That therefore does mean you can find them all in your change. Now, this isn't the most difficult close-up coins game we have ever done, but a few of you asking for a little close-up coins game for over the next few days. Hopefully you still do find it fun and exciting. And again, with so many people joining the channel recently, it's nice to go back to an easier round. And then especially those that are new to the channel can have a good go and trying to get used to the games as well that we do play. Apologies if a couple of them are a little bit blurry, but hopefully you should still be able to work them all out. As always, there's going to be a couple of loops at the end without me talking in the background and probably distracting you. That way you can try and concentrate. And once you've got them, don't forget to hit them there in the comments section below. We're going to go through all of the answers on Friday evening and we'll see who managed to get all 10 of these correct. Have a great day, everyone. I'm off to work. I shall be back around 12 PM. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.